Hey there, this is Batim, founder of Wallet Wisdom. I just want to record this video to explain Wallet Wisdom in a very, formal way because I think this is the best. The motivation for Wallet Wisdom was to collect all the knowledge and all the bookmarks. To manage back bookmarks for all the links that I find on different sources. As you all know, we are living in a fast-pacing world, so there's a lot of content that is produced. So basically, Wallet Wisdom is working on open canvas, and the inspiration was from pen and paper because I do write a lot. So I was inspired by paper and flexibility of writing everything. So basically, here are all the topics. Creating a new topic is very easy from this top bar. So you create a new topic. And when you have a lot of topics, you usually want to group these topics on some different grouping criteria. Let's say that one could be, let's say, agentic for me. So I'm creating just this agentic group, and this agentic group allows you to move, let's say, topics to this group. For example, I'm moving Cloud Code and Open Cloud to this, and when I rearrange everything, I get a beautiful grouping, let's say, of my topics. I can also do all the operations on the group. I can ungroup and everything gets back to to its state. There are some topics that you don't want to share with people, so you can just hide it when you do the presentation, just like this secret project that I'm working on yet. And also this is a kind of zoom and arranging control down here. The idea with all this canvas is that you have a lot of topics and you don't want to spend your time going into a topic and pasting a link where you see it, like this, for example. I'm just getting this for this tweet. I just paste it quickly, and this tweet was added. And as you all know, Twitter diversified its content. So some Twitter forum content is for example, this this thread. And if we go into the topic, we can paste directly also to content. As you see, this is the post, this is the tweet that we pasted earlier. So now we can paste a tweet which is like a thread. So Wallet Wisdom will be able to get not just a single tweet, but all the thread. This is great because you don't have to go to Twitter and paste the entire thread. The other form of content that is being developed recently on Twitter, you have articles. So we are able to extract articles as well. But articles we don't consider as a tweet, but we consider as a resource because it's a full-length article, and as you see, it is all extracted automatically. Same with YouTube, and we tend to transcript everything we find on YouTube. There are some videos that do not support transcription, and we are working how to manually transcript every video. The other forum that attracts me a lot, and I do work, is GitHub repos. For example, you see good repos that are being open sourced on GitHub. You get it, and when you paste it, what we do actually at Wallet Wisdom, we just extract the README file. After you build this content, you actually build knowledge. You can interact with this knowledge through chat, as you see, and you can reference all the content with add. For example, you can ask Wallet Wisdom how many, for example, how many how many tweets I have, how many tweets I have added, and Wallet Wisdom will go and retrieve all the tweets that you added to this content. And you can also ask to summarize the tweet, summarize, let's say, a thread from B. Cherny on Cloud Code, on CC customizability. And Wallet Wisdom is going to be able to go and withdraw that single content piece and do summarization of that. So as you see, like here's a consist summary. You can do a lot. For example, if you really like this answer, you can save this as a note. So this is the way how you can grow, let's say, your knowledge base. And based, like, on my day work, I used to see that sometimes I want to have some like minimal task management for that topic. So you have it on the right, and you can say like try, let's say, agent swarm from Cloud Code. And if you have more than one person, you can definitely assign, because you can invite people to your topic. Think of like you have your colleagues or you have your friends that you want to share a topic and you want to collect knowledge of that topic. You can have also some date. We don't do anything with these yet, but we are planning, let's say, to extend this task management with notifications and text messages and whatnot. You can rename chats, just like, on any other chat. You can have like multiple topics, and you can do a lot. Actually, you have like different sharing mechanisms. So just give it a try. I just wanted to give you a quick, like, very formal way what you can do on Wallet Wisdom. So just enjoy and let me know, like, if you have any issue or improvements you want to see on the app.